In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant guest access in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're managing your projects on Monday.com, Monday.com, there may come a time when you need to share some of your boards with an external collaborator or client. You might want to provide them with the necessary access without compromising the integrity of your workspace. That's exactly what we're going to walk through today. I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you're able to do this seamlessly and efficiently. Let's start by opening your Monday.com workspace. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the Invite button. This is your gateway to adding new people to your project, whether they are team members or external guests. Click on that button to proceed. Now you'll need to enter the guest's email address. Keep in mind, this is the email they'll use to access the board, so double-check for any typos to avoid any potential hiccups. Once you've correctly entered their email, move on to the next step. It's time to decide which board you'd like to share with your guest. Monday.com allows you to grant access on a board-specific basis, meaning your guest will only see the information you choose to share with them. Browse through your list of boards and select the one that is relevant for this particular guest. This is a wonderful feature that helps maintain the confidentiality and security of your other projects. After selecting the appropriate board, it's as easy as clicking the Invite button to send the invitation. Your guest will receive an email containing the invitation to access the specific board you selected. Be sure to follow up with them to ensure they receive the invitation and guide them if they have any issues accessing the content. And there you have it. You've successfully granted a guest access to a board in Monday.com. This simple yet effective process can greatly enhance collaboration on your projects by allowing external clients or partners to stay in sync with your team while still maintaining control over what they can see and do. Remember, maintaining clear communication and organization is key. And by following these steps, you've taken a proactive move toward more efficient project management. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more tips and